Morning! Happy birthday, Bina! Bina! Orte! Good morning! Happy birthday, Bina! Happy birthday, Binani!
Anong ginagawa ni Alvin?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Magang-maga, miyak ka ng binana. Jesus.
Hi! Hi ka naman din.
Birthday mo na, oh. Birthday mo na naman, oh.
Hi guys, it's me Alexa and this Sir Hipo. So pupunta kami sa birthday ni Alvina. Birthday na po kasi ni Alvina. Halika po. Ay po si Alvina, oh. Ayan po. Ayan po si Alvina.
Mag-antay ka.
Umiyak. Sino ba? Pero na ako saglit. Tapos guys, ayan po yung sa birthday ni Alvina. Tapos ito po yan. Apo. Tapos ito po yung pag-giveaways. Tapos andito pa po kami, hindi pa po kami nakakaalis. Ito po si Jazz. Ito po si Mamalay. And then this is birthday girl na lagi. Uy, saan ito ilalagay? Diyan. Dito ka siya dito ba nakaganon ako?
Para marinig ni pala yung boses ko, bibiyot ang prize. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, Oo. Wala na pala, huli na.
Malapit na rin ako. Tinignan ko lang yan, oh.
Mini meme. Masarap ba yun, Met? Sarap. Happy birthday, Bina! Da, kanta kayo. Bagay ng dabon namin ako. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bina! Pero kayo na naka-schedule dito ngayon. Yay! Happy birthday, Biani!
Birthday. Ay.
Happy birthday to you!
Hi, ma. Hari, ma. Let's go.
Lagi na ulit siya, ano?
Alexa! Si Kimchi!
Wait lang. Wait. Stop.
Bina, dali go there. Bina,
Oh, yay. Ayaw niya.
Bina!
May cake na po. Ayaw. Parating pa lang. Parating pa. Palagay na lang sa dito pag.
No!
Matay yun, Ay, nahulog na yun.
Okay, hindi magsisimula ating birthday party kung wala ating birthday celebrant. Kaya naman, hindi na natin ito matatagalin pa. Let us all welcome Alvina together with her mommy and daddy! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to tatlong grupo. Okay, sige mami, pwede po muna kayo umupo dito tayo sa harap. Ayan. Okay, hatiin ko na po kayo sa tatlong grupo. This will be the Team A. Palakpakan naman dyan, Team A. Siyempre, magpapatalo ba ang Team B? Okay, at hindi na magpapadaig ang Team C. Ayan, okay, Mami. Kayo po ang mamimili mamaya kung anong grupo po ang may pinakamalakas bumati kay Bina. Okay? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay. Ayan, Mami. Pakipulong nga po sa akin. Team A, Team B, or Team C? Okay. Ayan, dahil that, congratulations to Team C! Ayan, sila pa ang nanalo. Okay, dahil pinalingan ng Team C, ang inyong pong papremyo ay tumatagigting na palakpakan.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. Nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia,
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Gina! Robert, sabi yung mas malakas! Happy birthday, Gina! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Gina! Okay, Mommy and Daddy, bago po i-blow ang candle, ano po muna ang birthday wish kay Bina?
Hello? Wish ko lang na kumain ka na ng kanin. Para makabawas-bawasan sa gatas mo. 2 taon na tayong medyo sure sa'yo, wala nang
Wish, iwasan ang pagiging masungit. Sana ngayon 2 years old, magbago na yung attitude mo.
Yun lang.
Okay, sige Mommy and Daddy, blow na po ang candle. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Sabay. Yay!
Okay! Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Bina. At batiin natin ang mas malakas at masasayang happy birthday, Bina. Ready? 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday, Bina! Once again, let us all welcome Grimace! Ayan, hi! Hi, Grimace! Ayan, mag-hi naman po kayo kay Grimace. Hi! Okay, syempre, bago tayo magpa-picture kay Grimace, meron po muna hinandang dance number si Grimace. Okay, sige Grimace, forward muna tayo onte. Ayan, okay, Grimace, ready? Ayan, palakpakan po muna para kay Grimace!
It's a G-Boy. For the girls that were tired now, yeah. Got me while you hold me like I do.
Let's go, Grimace!
I'll make you awesome. My girl just give me.
Okay, thank you so much, Grimace! Ayan ang teacher, friend. Ayan, teacher meeting ko na together with Mommy and Daddy. Ayan, sige dito po tayo, Mommy and Daddy.
we keep running faster and faster.
Malakas, malakas, nasaan ang kapulo? Balikan, dito na!
Keep up with disaster, disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like We keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster, disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like
Wala mas mahaba yung sa Team B, Ayun, may naka-topless na.
in the still of the night, gazing up at the sky. When the stars began to fade, dimming lanterns in our eyes. Thought there was nothing to find. Stop searching for a reason. Just let the world embrace us. In the silence, we are one. Can't escape from this feeling inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine. When the cracks start to let you run right through, I'll be there to help you shine. I promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the signs. Just for a moment, a flash of light, you'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all the meteors fall out of you. Can't escape from this pressure inside you, but tonight the stars align. When the crowd